I just got home from work a little while ago, and I am melting stuff now because it's a really nice spring day, and quite frankly, the weekend was horrible. So even though I had it off, I couldn't really get anything done. So here we go. Now this is actually pewter, a it's a picture frame I found, and I got some of that in there. I got some belt buckles and some just stuff that didn't melt very well last year. And we'll see what it looks like when I get done. Thank you very much. Um, Obviously, I have stuff melting here, but this is meltable, so I'm gonna say it's pewter. So if you're spending big bucks on this stuff, it's just stuff that can melt. Just letting you know. Um, but anyways, this obviously was a toy car I smashed up, and now it's in the melting pot. And it'll be a few minutes. Look at it this way, and then we'll start seeing what I can make. All right, everyone. Um, it's about as good as it's gonna get right now. So yes, I have a cord. I admit, but it's been a while since I made a ghost, so we're gonna make a ghost. Yes, I know it's not Halloween, but technically, it's always Halloween in your heart. Let's see. We'll do the pumpkin. We want to add a little bit of a stem, don't we? All right, and that's what's left over, and that will actually keep melting. Ooh, ah, sorry. Ooh, technical difficulties. Give me a second. All right, minor mishap, but it's okay. Now we have a ghost and a pumpkin to let uh to cool off. So yes, I'll put a little bit more stuff in, and then we'll keep melting. Right, it took a little while, obviously, but I got a pretty good dragonfly here. Pretty good, and it's still pretty warm. We'll see how warm it is if it sizzles. Yeah, they get pretty hot. So we'll let that cool for a quick sec. Ooh, that's still pretty warm. All right. Okay. All right. Yeah. Anyways, there you go. A dragonfly and a couple of slightly scary Halloween things, but that's okay. They're Halloweeny. They're supposed to be scary. Anyways, like, share, subscribe, please. I know it wasn't perfect, but